All right, so in ancient Greece, if we did vanilla X fig, because you know how Harmony just we do things with time, whether that's in the future or the past. They had a grape syrup that used to be made and a pomegranate syrup that used to be made, and they would cook figs in these things to like make a dessert or make dishes and treats. And then we could bring in some honey, which is like one of their staples. Um, some kind of maybe like a light milk or some vanilla to add. Well, it has to have vanilla, but like some extra vanilla, like vanilla bean or something toasted, kind of nutty, because they did have like nuts and spices and herbs too. But I would rather just keep the like almond or something. So we have like that, and then pear. So we have pear, fig, grape, molasses, and pomegranate molasses,
Pomegranate molasses.
and then some sugars with the honey, the almond, all coming together. That is sounding fire. Like just fig and pear with honey and pomegranate,
And
or
pomegranate.
or even if it was just fig, pear, and honey. Like all of that sounds amazing.
It is amazing. Let's see it happen. Sounds so good. It's mouth watering, but I can see it. That is an ode to the Mediterranean for sure.